My name's Jeymis Vowan. I'm the director of Friends and Strangers, which is from Sydney, a film made in Sydney in Australia. It's been amazing. It's actually the first festival I could travel to with the film because of travel restrictions in Australia. So it's just been an incredible experience being able to show the film to a whole new group of people who perhaps aren't so familiar with Australia and see what kind of reactions they have. Yeah. The most significant thing, possibly just the feeling of community and the inclusivity, you know, like the celebratory atmosphere, I guess. Like, it's been such a welcoming, atmospheric festival. The parties, the socializing, just it's been amazing. Yeah, absolutely. It would be a privilege to. If another film I made was selected again, would love to. Yeah, pleasure.